Hey. All right, so Mr. Nichols here. Just wanted to go give some more clarification on how to do some order of operations problems. So I'm gonna start off over here. I'm gonna start off real simple, and then I'll get a little bit more complex as we go along, just to give you guys some more context and everything as to what we are working on in 5th grade math for order of operations. So here we go. All right, so first off, I'm gonna start off with this one right here. I'm gonna go 12 divided by 4 plus 8 times 3. Okay, so we'll get a problem like this, and what we have taught the kids is we want to analyze the problem and we want to figure out the steps that we want to go do first. And then, we do them in order because it's called order of operations. So in this problem right here, when we analyze this, we're first going to look for grouping symbols. In 5th grade, we're talking about parentheses. So in here, there is no parentheses. So with that being said, we move on to step 2. And that is going to be multiplication and division. Now notice I didn't say multiplication or division. I'm saying multiplication and division because we're going to do those two steps simultaneously pretty much. Now, when we do this, we have to make sure that we are working on those two operations from left to right. So in this expression right here, this division comes before this multiplication. Now, it is not done like multiplication isn't done before division or division done before multiplication in every single equation. It's literally of those two right there, which one comes first. So in this one right here, 12 divided by 4, the division problem comes first before the multiplication. So what I always tell my students to go do, and you should tell them this too if they're working on it at home, is that we are going to do it step by step by step. So right here, I'm going to rewrite the problem with all the same expression, all the same operations on here. Okay, so I got 12 divided by 4, so I'm going to say 12 divided by 4, that's 3, because 3 times 4 is 12. So I'm going to rewrite it, 3, I'm rewriting the addition part, I'm rewriting the 8, I'm rewriting the multiplication, and then the 3. So I've rewritten this, but now 12 divided by 4 is done for. It's been replaced with a 3, the actual quotient for it, okay? So now I'm left with this. I said my second step, because we don't have grouping symbols, is gonna be multiplication and division. So the next one I'm gonna do is this multiplication part right here. 8 times 4 is 24. So I'm gonna rewrite 24. We're gonna cross that out. We already used it, plus 3, okay? So now I'm just left with 3 plus 24. And with that being said, I know that 3 more than 24 is 27. And that is done, all right? Now, if we want to go make this list a little bit more complicated, I'll go show you what that might look like, all right? So for this one right here, I'm gonna write this one up here. We're gonna write 4 plus, I'm gonna put my parentheses symbol, 26 minus 6 divided by 3. Now I chose this one right here because not only do we have parentheses, but we have two different operations within the parentheses. So check this out. Now, what we said for step 1 is always grouping symbols. So in this one right here, our grouping symbols are 26 divided, or minus 6 divided by 3. So we're going to go start with our grouping symbols. Now again, there's two different operations in here. So for this one right here, we are going to start with division because division comes before addition and subtraction, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and do 6 divided by 3. 6 divided by 3 is 2 because 2 times 3 is 6. I'm going to cross that out and I'm rewriting everything that existed before I solved that. I'm putting my addition in here. I'm putting my parentheses back. Now I have 4 plus 26 minus 2. Again, my step 1 is going to be parentheses, my grouping symbols. So I still have to solve this. Even though subtraction is my last step with addition, I'm still going to solve this first because it is in the parentheses. So now I'm going to do 26 minus 2. That becomes, I'll change my color up again, 24. All right, because 24 plus 2 is 26. I cross that out. I'm rewriting. And all I have left is 4 plus 24. 4 plus 24 is 28. Awesome. So I get 28 done. Okay, so it's important that they do these in the exact order that they come in, and then on top of that, make sure at the very beginning, especially right here at this time of the year, it is September when I'm recording this video, is to use their notebooks to actually go through each one of those steps, because it isn't going to become, you know, like locked in their brain at the get-go. It's something they have to learn and get used to over time, okay? Hope this video helps. And yeah, if I can record more, just let me know. Thanks.